How to reverse video on Snapchat. That's what I'm going to teach you in today's video. So the first we need to go and open Snapchat app here, as you can see. And once we open the app, we get the video as the following up. We'll start here with the box, then go to the laptop. In here is the video that we recorded. Now we're going to swipe the filters until we can find the reverse filter. Just go to the left, more one, even though. So here we are on this side. If we couldn't find the filter of reverse the video, no worries about it. I'm going to tell you the solution, because some devices allow the filtration, some are not. And the thing is, here we're going to click on the save button. Now once we click on the save button, we're going to use a new tool or external tool here, which is this link. I'm going to put you the link down in the description. You can follow the link. We'll go here to this tool that called reverse video, and here we can paste the video URL, or better say the link, or upload the video. So click here and choose files, and then upload this video here, and click on upload and wait a few seconds. And now once the video uploaded, you can here click on convert to change the video format. And one more option, you can reverse the sound or even mute the sound. And here is the output of the video. You can make it original and click on reverse video. Wait a few seconds until the video is reversed, and here scroll down. As you can see, the video started from the PC or the laptop, then back to the box. And to download the video, you can click on this button and then choose these three buttons up to the right bottom and click on save video. That's how you can download reverse video of Snapchat. So don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also let me know down in the comments below if the video is helpful, and thanks for watching.